Hey there, tech fans! Today, let's dive into the exciting world of the OnePlus 12 and its pricing details. Now, if you're craving more power, there's an upgrade available. The 16GB RAM and 512GB storage version go for 4,799 Chinese yuan, or about 56,500 rupees. This bump up ensures smoother performance and plenty of space for your stuff. So, here's the scoop. The base model of the OnePlus 12 starts at just 4,299 Chinese yuan. That's got 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage packed in. For our friends in India, it's around 50,600 rupees, giving you a fantastic deal for all those features. But hold on, because OnePlus has something special for the real tech lovers out there. They've got premium versions with 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage at 5,299 Chinese yuan, roughly 62,400 rupees, and a massive 24GB RAM plus 1TB storage option at 5,799 Chinese yuan, about 68,200 rupees. To sum it up, the OnePlus 12 gives you top-notch features without draining your wallet. It's designed to meet the needs of a wide range of users, offering different pricing options to suit your preferences.